What's up, Larry? What you doing, dude? Larry's a pretty bud. He got baconators. He's not really pretty, but at least his face isn't pretty. Look. Larry. 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 Look at that face. He looks like a clown. Only a mama can love it. Oh, my God. But look, this bird is a great chicken sitter. As a matter of fact, this bird thinks it's a chicken. He's the only guinea left of the flock. But he's doing great without a flock because he thinks he's a chicken. And I'm not kidding. He's a chicken guinea, as Philip said. Larry, what up, boo? Aye. Taz, shut your pie hole. Look, there's Roly-Poly. Roly-Poly, you know you're going home with me. I'm your mommy now. When we move, you're coming with us. Philip says no, but Nina says I can have you. Even though you're an asshole. Look at them hennies. Quack, quack. Larry. Oh, there you are. Look at Larry. Hi, bud. What's up, dude? Oh, my goodness. You're such a good bird. Yes, you are a good bird. Say good night, world.